Hello everyone. In the UAE, a multidisciplinary team has brought the region's ancient maritime history to life by reconstructing a working Bronze Age ship. The Magan boat is a remarkable archaeological discovery that has shed new light on the United Arab Emirates' UAE rich maritime history, dating back over 4,000 years. The Magan boat is an ancient vessel that was unearthed in the Emirate of Al Quwain in 2012. The boat's discovery has sparked a fascinating project to rebuild and restore the vessel, providing a unique glimpse into the UAE's ancient maritime past. The Magan boat is believed to have originated from the ancient civilization of Magan, which flourished in the region around 2500 BCE. The boat's design and construction suggest that it was used for trade and commerce, traveling between the UAE and other ancient civilizations in the region. The rebuilding project, led by the UAE's Ministry of Culture and Knowledge Development, aims to recreate the Magan boat using traditional materials and techniques. The project involves a team of archaeologists, historians, and craftsmen who are working together to bring the ancient vessel back to life. The Magan boat rebuilding project is not only an exciting archaeological endeavor but also an important cultural initiative. The project aims to promote the UAE's rich cultural heritage and raise awareness about the country's significant contribution to the region's maritime history. The rebuilt Magan boat is expected to be showcased in a museum or a cultural center in the UAE, providing a unique opportunity for visitors to learn about the country's ancient maritime past. The project is a testament to the UAE's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage and promoting its rich history. In conclusion, the Magan boat rebuilding project is an extraordinary initiative that is helping to rebuild the UAE's maritime history. The project is not only an exciting archaeological endeavor but also an important cultural initiative that promotes the UAE's rich cultural heritage. As the project progresses, it is expected to provide a unique glimpse into the UAE's ancient maritime past, showcasing the country's significant contribution to the region's rich cultural heritage. That's all for today. See you in next video. Goodbye.